Alright, good day students. What we have today is mechanics. You are given a non-uniform beam XY of length 50 meter and with its center of gravity 20 meter from X. The weight at here, the center of gravity is at this point 20 meter from X. Is supported at point P. This is point P. This is the supporting of this beam SY 30 meter from point X. So masses 10 kg and 12 kg hang at point 15 meter and 5 meter respectively from Y. From Y, 10 kilogram mass is hang here, 15 meter from Y, and 5 meter, 12 kilogram, 5 meter from Y, such that the body is in equilibrium. Find the weight of the body and the magnitude of the reaction at P. You are asked to find the weight of the body W and the magnitude of the reaction at P. So you are asked to take G is equals to 10 meter per second squared. So this is an example of, like I say, it is non-uniform because the weight at 20 meter from X. And the whole concept SY, the length of SY, we are told to be 50 meter. So if this uniform beam, the weight of the beam will act at 25 meter, that is at the middle. But this is non-uniform. That's why the weight at 20 meter from X. So the first question here is to find the weight of the body, that is W. So in order to find the weight of the body, we have to take moment at P. Take moment at P. So we know that the total that is sum of anticlockwise moment is equals to sum of clockwise moment about the point, in this case the point about the point P. So once you have written it, we take moment at P. You know the W, the weight will move in this form. It will move in the anti-clockwise, while the 10G will move in this form clockwise, and the weight here, because we are taking moment at P, we move in this form. So in that case we have that because sum of moment anti-clockwise, moment is equals to the weight multiplying the distance, that is the sum of the weight and the distance, the force, which is the weight W, multiplying the distance, in this case 10, is equals to, you have to convert 10G to force, which is Newton. We are given G to be equals to 10 meter per second square. So we have 10 times 10, and then we have 100 Newton. You have to convert 12 as well to Newton, which is 12 times 10. In this case we have 120 Newton. So in this case, sum of clockwise moment is 100 times the distance covered. In this case we have 5 plus 120 times what? The distance covered. 5 plus 10 is 15. So we proceed to simplify the equation. In this case we have 10W is equals to 500 plus 120 times 15 will give us what? 120 into 15 will give us 1800. So you sum it, 1800 plus 500 will give us 2300 Newton. Now we have gotten 10W is equals to 2300 Newton. You have to divide both sides by 10 so that we can find the value of W. So this can cancel out. We have W is equals to, mind you, this is capital, cancel one of the 0, so that we have W to be 230 Newton. So we have gotten the value of W to be 230 Newton. We return here, and then W is equals to what? 230 Newton. So the next question is what? You are asked to the magnitude of the reaction at P. Let's clean here. Since we have converted to Newton, so let's here be in Newton because it's the weight. We have what? 100 Newton and 120 Newton. So let's solve for the second question, reaction at P. So you should know that for coplanar forces in equilibrium, for coplanar forces in equilibrium, we have that the total upward force is equals to total downward forces. So with this concept, we can now find the reaction at P. So total upward force is equals to P. We have P is equals to total downward force. We have 230 plus 100 plus 120. So sum it. 230 plus 100 will give us 330 plus 120 will give us what? 450. So the magnitude of the reaction, which reaction is also force, at P is equals to what? 450 Newton. So this is how you can solve a problem involving non-uniform. In some cases, the diagram may not given to you. They will give you the equation in a sentence, so you have to convert the sentence into an equation or convert it into diagram so that you can see clearly how the diagram looks like, be able to solve the problems. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please, before you go, do me one favor, just click the subscribe button to encourage me to bring more videos for your views. Again, like and share, click the subscription button. Whenever I have no update, you will be the first person to be notified. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.